Two thieves hung broken near the end. No hope to offer, no way to pretend. Both turned to Jesus with a desperate plea. One demanded, "Save us if you are the one indeed." The other rebuked him and pleaded, "Remember me when you are in your kingdom. Today in paradise you'll be with me. No more pain, no more chains, just joy for eternity. Grace like a river flowing free. Today in paradise you'll be with me." He had no time to make things right, but faith reached out in that final light. A thief in life, a thief at the end. With faith he cried, "Remember me." And with Jesus he would now be. It's never too late, it's never too far. One word from Jesus can open the sky. The door to heaven swings open wide. For every heart that sings, "Have mercy on me." Today in paradise you'll be with me, where love is forever and souls are free. One whispered prayer and the gates receive. Today in paradise, just believe. Truly I say, have faith, believe, and one day you may also be with me in paradise eternally.